Civatree Technologies is a leading SAP services organization. We're part of the ESI Technologies family. We're VMware's preferred SAP on VMware services partner, and we're the leading SAP services organization of Dell Technologies. Civatree offers solutions to meet your needs wherever you are in your SAP transformational HANA and S/4HANA journey. Our team is deeply experienced, and our expert knowledge has allowed us to deliver innovative solutions to hundreds of clients that reduced costs and enabled them to capitalize on solving today's efficiency challenges. Let's talk about what matters to your business. Are you spending more for cloud than you once did for on-prem to run your SAP? Are you spending over 50% of your basis operation on menial tasks? Are you wondering what hardware platform to go on, i.e. HCI or appliance? Our Art of the Possible sessions are free, one-to-one interactive whiteboard meetings, not seminars or webinars. In an Art of the Possible session, we learn about your vision for a specific outcome and then brainstorm with you the best possible solution or solutions to get there. The Art of the Possible is all about the real business benefits your organization can realize by designing proven business-critical SAP architecture and operations and extending that through enhanced disaster recovery, automation, and end-to-end unified monitoring and reporting. Civatree's Art of the Possible is grounded in best practices and is customized to your unique business requirements and operational realities. This is not a one-size-fits-all approach, but is a purpose-built, scalable architectural design and deployment methodology that delivers real-world success and real-world business benefits. All Art of the Possible sessions include a Q&A to get a baseline of where you are today and where you want to be, followed by our experts outlining what you can do based on SAP and industry best practices. Sessions are typically 1 hour per topic, virtual via Zoom, open to any team members you wish to invite, and may be recorded at your request. Civatree specializes in transformational services for SAP platform design on private, public, and hybrid cloud models. We use these designs to drive migration strategies that fully leverage the benefits of automation and cloud solutions. Our mission is to understand your vision, design the journey, and transform what matters to your business. We can customize our Art of the Possible topics to what's important to you. We're frequently asked for Art of the Possible sessions on the following popular topics. Automating SAP on VMware. We'll talk about leveraging tool sets from both SAP and VMware, zero downtime patching and maintenance, mass start and stop, clone, copy, and refresh, and typical OpEx reductions when automating the manual tasks you're doing today. Enhanced disaster recovery for SAP. We'll look at simplified disaster recovery in an SAP on VMware environment, your current DR strategy and future requirements, SAP HANA system replication versus array-based replication, best practices design and how it directly influences success in DR, and data integrity and consistency. SAP-specific cloud enablement options. We'll discuss how a best practices design for on-premises deployment enables hybrid cloud mobility. We'll discuss the cloud options available do not always align with customers' business requirements and constraints, and what SAP environments should run in cloud. Another popular topic is keeping SAP on VMware healthy. We'll talk about recognizing SAP on VMware best practices in virtual machine settings, collecting and analyzing logs, charts, and reports, logging incidents to SAP on VMware customer support for the best responses. And finally, the road to SAP HANA. What are your SAP HANA requirements? Defining an infrastructure and platform building block in support of your requirements, and a best practices review. If you'd like to schedule a free Art of the Possible session for your team on these or other topics, please reach out to us at info@civatree.com or let your VMware or Dell contact know you want Civatree to show you the Art of the Possible.